Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a poll on Twitter. First, let's go into the Twitter app. Once in the app, you'll simply tap on the plus like you will normally do to upload a tweet. And then you're going to select the poll icon. The poll icon is the bar icon right beside the location token right there. So you'll tap on it. Then you'll simply tap right where you see ask your question. And you'll simply type your question right there. Then you'll add the answers. And after you have added the answers, you can set the poll length. As you can see there, you can choose from 1 day, 2 day, any one of these options you can select. Then you'll simply tap on tweet to post it, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.